Welcome to the Jay Reed YouTube channel. I am Jay Reed. This channel is all about me and the pursuit of happiness. I am a man in his 50s with a mortgage, 3 kids at college, and determined not to be unhappy. Hence, and the pursuit of motoring. We will look at my 928, we will look at my MGR V8, we'll look at my 911, my Boxster that we've had in the past, and also motorcycles. But most of all, we're going to have an adventure and we're not going to be bored. Have a look at some examples of what is on this channel. I review cars. Now the first thing you notice is the howl of that flat 6, that air-cooled flat 6. I fix cars. But that doesn't always go to plan. Oh, fuck. That fucking hurt. We do some brilliant product tests. And some great road trips. And a nice, comfortable bed. Good night. Thanks for watching. And new for 2023, I will show you how to get on a motorbike, pass your test and buy a new bike. So if you've ever thought that one day you might have a cheaper Porsche, you can probably just about afford one. Or if you feel like getting on a motorbike, taking a test and hitting the road, wondering whether you can afford it all, wondering whether you can do it yourself, whether you can fix things, I'm a complete idiot. If I can do it, you can do it. So why not subscribe to my channel now and enjoy my adventures as we go along.